What's going on, J Squad? So once again, I just want to enlighten you on what to expect on this video. This is another video that I'm just clearing out from my SIM card. It is old content, but old content is still good videos, great content, a great video, big period, okay? I'm still giving you this video because I don't want to waste it. Why not? You know what I mean? It's just a video. Put it out there, sis. All right, so yeah, I just want to let you know, heads up. But most importantly, you guys, I wanted to inform you to go to my page. Go to my YouTube channel. Click on the community tab. I have 2 recent upload posts that I said we're going to do a Q&A. Please, please, please go put your questions on that post. As always, I love you. I miss you. Let's get into the video.
Girl, I can change your life. But you heard it. But you heard it. I'm from the city. But you ain't got love to love.
What's going on, J Squad, Plum Squad? It's your girl J. You already know. Welcome back to my channel, J Vibes, where there's a whole lot of great vibes going on. Big period. Before you guys even come for me in the comment section, relax, 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 relax. We are not even here for you to come for me because I didn't even send for you. We are here because, ouch, relax. BagSmart, you guys, sent me this package and I want to open it with you guys and tell you all the good things that I have inside. Now, before we get into this video, before I open up this box, where is my box cutter? I don't know. Kids, relax, okay? Okay. Before we get into this video, please make sure you are subscribed, you guys, to my channel. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up by liking the video. You can also comment some thumbs up emojis in the comment section, but I definitely want you to make sure that you give this video a like, all right? Comment some love, some feedback down in the comment section. Let me know if BagSmart really hooked your girl up or they really did your girl bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm joking. Okay, I'm good. So, yes. Make sure you subscribe. All that good things. Turn your bell on for post notifications. And we'll talk about all the other things of where I've been, what I've been doing. Why my son acting like that? We'll talk about all that stuff in another video. All right, so I'm super excited, you guys, because I like bags. I like all kind of bags: gym bags, book bags, lunch bags, computer bags, small bags, big bags. Like, I like things that, you know, you can put your clutter in, or maybe like just reorganize your stuff in. I don't know, I just like bags. Travel bags, suitcase bags. I like bags. Like, I don't know, I think because I'm OCD and it allows me to, you know, store things in it, or, you know, neatly place things in it, whatever the bag is for. I like it. I don't like to have a whole bunch of clutter in my hand, in my pockets, and I don't even like my bag to be all cluttered. So first bag, you guys, is this bag, and I'm gonna unwrap it. Relax. This is the Weekender overnight bag for women. Of course, it's black. Let me take it out the package. I already like how it comes folded. That lets me know, like, when I'm not using it, that I can fold it up and put it away and it's not gonna be in the way. You know what I mean? I like that. Foldable material. I like that. So again, this is the Weekender, cause yeah, on the weekends we pack bags. I don't know what you're doing on the weekend. I like this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so already this is the front, right? This is the front. We got a pocket to stuff, you know, just little important, literally little important things in here. Like, you know, for this to be, what I say to both of y'all? What I say? This can be like, you know, the little stuff like the cotton swabs, the floss, toothbrush, toothpaste. It's just for the little things. And then right above that, you got another little pocket, and that could be for the phone because you know you already out on the weekend. This the weekend bag. You already unpacked all your weekend stuff in there. So you gotta put your phone in there, like quick, boop, 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 like, you know what I'm saying? Like phone, drop the phone in there. And that's what that is, so, okay. And y'all, if you're packing a weekend bag, but you ain't packing you a little, you know, a little water bottle, maybe some OJ on the side, you're not going nowhere on the weekend. I don't know where you're going on the weekend if you ain't packing no water and no OJ. You need that, okay? Before I open up the inside and see like how big it is, how roomy it is, how much outfits I can fit in, can I put my shoes in here too? I'm gonna turn it on the back side. The back side is just like the front side, but you can tell the difference because the front side, of course, is labeled BagSmart. You gotta have your logo in the front. You can also put your logo in the back, but they got their logo in the front. And to me, it's giving reversible vibes. Like, I can honestly wear this bitch like this, or I can wear the bag like this. I can wear the bag like this, or I can wear the bag like this because you guys, both sides got that little pocket. It's got that little pocket so you could put like your panty liners, your flushable wipes. Hope you guys are using that. Don't go there with me. Yeah, put that in there, sis. Alright. And then oh, it's not reversible. This is the pocket. Okay, let's say so this is your weekend bag, but let's say your weekend, you know, consists of you packing very heavily. You know how like you got some of them people that's only going away for like 3 days, but they got like 8 outfits, 5 pair of shoes. Yeah, so they got their suitcase and their weekend bag. Yeah, so this is like the pocket that you will put the handle through of your suitcase. So dope. I've always wanted a bag that had that. Like, I wanted to feel like I was actually going somewhere on the weekend. Okay, all right, so let's get into the inside of the bag. What's going on? Ooh, what is this stuff? Y'all, I really like bags, and don't let my bag have something in the bag. That get your girl real excited. So you guys are probably wondering what this is. This is a shoe bag, you guys. You can literally put a pair, maybe 2 pairs of shoes, depending on what it is. If it's sneakers, you got a small foot, 2. If it's sandals, go sit down. If it's sandals, maybe like 3, 4, 5. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is just a shoe bag. So the inside of the bag, you guys, definitely roomy. Like, oh, it's roomy. Got a long strap, just in case, you know, it's just too much in the underarm area and you need that to hang. I'm trying to watch my mouth. But yeah, they got a long strap. And then these pockets, you know, you put your perfume or cologne. I know it's safe for women, but you know the women wear cologne too. And you can put your deodorant. Please pack your deodorant. Please. You can pack your shoe cleaning supplies. Like, however you want to use these pockets, they can be used that way. Maybe you want your socks, your bras, or sports bras, and your drawers. However many and whatever drawers you wear. And this side right here, now I'm not gonna cap. Whenever my bags do come with this clear bag, I like to use this bag for like my bathroom stuff because it just gives me sanitary Ziploc bag away from the lint and other possible things that could be in your bag. It gives me them type of vibes, so I like to put all of my bathroom items in here, okay? This is the Weekender Overnight for Women Smart Bag. Bag number 2. Now hold on now, Smart's bag. Now this ain't what I asked for. This ain't what we agreed on. This is a large travel backpack. Where is my where is my laptop backpack? Because your girl's in school. She's been taking classes and I was very much looking forward to that laptop backpack. Because you know, not only do I just carry my laptop around because I need my laptop, but I need a laptop bag. And the laptop bag, y'all, was supposed to, you know what? We're gonna be grateful and thankful. So this is the travel backpack. I don't even know what the travel backpack gonna look like. Maybe it is the laptop backpack and they just switched up the name. But either way it go, I'm satisfied because this bitch sexy. She fine. I like it. Black on black. I see where y'all was going with what y'all did, but y'all could let me know that you was switching it up on me. It's cool though. Let's discover what this book bag is, because I have no idea, and I'm already seeing, you know, things about this book bag that's like, ooh, what this really is. Okay, so boom, this is the front, right? You already got your little pocket. I got a little pocket right there. Alright, so then the second pocket. Second pocket is this pocket. And then this pocket got two pockets with another pocket. See, so I'm talking about? That's why I like bags. Bags come with all kind of I don't know if I like bags or pockets. Or pockets in the bags. I think that's what it is. So, okay. I can see, I don't know how it, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe like a go sit down. I don't know, so that's what we got there. Next, oh, is that a USB on the side? You lying. I gotta see how that works. So apparently, can you see me? This book bag is equipped with a USB port on the side. And as I open up the next pocket that was above the, you get what I'm saying? It's this cord. Okay, so I'm getting it. Okay, so I think this is my laptop backpack. I apologize. I expected the name to say what it had said, but instead it said something else. This is the laptop backpack. My apologies. I'm working on me. Don't judge me. Okay, so yes, this cord you're going to, you know, plug in the USB to your laptop, and then on the outside you'll be able to put your USB cord in, and you know, have a phone. This is so dope. I ain't never in my life thought I would ever have a book bag like this. And that thing go deep too. And it, you know, it's got like a little tight insert pocket for your laptop so it can stay in place and things like that. I really like that. I really do. Y'all don't forget to drink your water or take your orange juice or apple juice, cranberry juice. Just drink pocket is where I'm getting at. You got your drink pocket on both sides because, you know, stay hydrated. And then the final and last zipper, I think this makes it wider. I think this widens, yeah. So that last zipper just widens the book bag out. You know, so you can put your binder and things like that. Or, you know, you might got a big laptop. You might got 2 laptops. You might got, you know, a couple of books or whatever the case may be. But this is what it says that it is. Now this pocket right here is what really like has my attention. I don't know what that could possibly be. Let me see. If I had this on my back, right? And I like my backpacks strapped up tight. I'm trying to figure out, like, where is that pocket? It's right here. So like that where my wallet would be and things like that, because the world is crazy, you guys, and I'm sure you guys know that. So don't ever, like, when you do have a book bag or backpack, whatever you say, don't put your wallet in that first pocket. I know it's, you know, convenient and it seems like, you know, the perfect thing to use it for, because it's not deep, it's not, you know, it's not roomy, but it's roomy. But it makes sense to put your phone, your wallet in there and keep things pushing. But you gotta think about it. If you got a laptop, if you got, you know, books in your bag, if your bag does get, you know, a little stuffy, if someone was pickpocketing you or, you know, messing with your stuff and like trying to steal from you as you was like walking or whatever the case may be, maybe you had your bag sitting down, you weren't paying attention, and they're like messing, you know, it's very easy for them just to get in there. So this is very convenient, and I really love this because this is right on my back. And I dare somebody to be messing and touching on my back. Because why are you messing and touching on my back? What are you messing and touching for? You know what I mean? Alright, so that's that, you guys. And thank you so much, BagSmart. Thank you so much, like, for reaching out. You literally reached out at the perfect time, because again, like, this is very convenient for my life. Like, not only do I need a laptop book bag for my laptop and my books and things like that, but I also needed my weekend or overnight bag as well, because that's what we do on the weekends. We weekender overnight. Hope you guys are having a great night. It's almost the end of the year, and this is the perfect time to get a book bag for your kid, your niece, your husband, your cousin, whoever you know that may be in need of a bag. And it don't just have to be a book bag. It could be a weekender bag, okay? Again, they have so many other bags. They got bags for like your lunches, all kind of bags, you guys. Like, they really have some really dope, affordable bags. Yeah, until next time, I'm signing out. I love you always and forever. I miss you. Till next video.